Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Okay, so turning off restricted mode on YouTube is straightforward. You go to your app setting. In general, you find restricted mode and you turn it off. But one thing you have to remember, restricted mode on YouTube is device specific and browser specific, so it's not synchronized across your devices. Anyways, let's check these settings for all three platforms. So in my desktop I have a iPhone on the left and Android on the right, and we are in the desktop. So for iPhone, what you have to do, okay, open your YouTube app on your iPhone. Then on the bottom right corner of the screen you will see your profile image. Tap there. Now on the top right corner you will see the setting button. Tap there. Now tap on general. Now here you will see restricted mode. By default it's disabled for me, but if it's enabled you can make it disable. So let's go to Android now. I'll show you if it's synchronized with your Android or no. Let's go to the settings. As you can see, it's not synchronized. For every device you have to do the setting again. Okay, so likewise you can make it enable or disable. Now let's go to desktop. Here on the top right corner in your profile image, tap there. You will see restricted mode. As you can see here also by default it's off. If it's on, you can make it off. So for every platform you have to do these settings. So that's it guys. Likewise you can turn off restricted mode on your YouTube. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.